Start the show!
Red! Don't blank in my car! Pretty stoked about this road trip, man.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah. It's gonna be real good.
You eating a sub sandwich?
Yeah, is that no problem?
I just get the car washed for the big trip, you know? It's kind of hoping when Carol gets real bad when she finds lettuce in places, so.
Fine, man.
Awesome. Dude, when we get to New York,
Oh, yeah.
Liberty, we're gonna see all the other things in New York.
Right.
Yeah. We can stop and get something to eat if you want.
Yeah, no, that's cool, man. That's cool.
You gonna smoke? I just got the car clean. Plus, I have kids.
My God, you're such a hard ass.
Plus, it's 2013, all right? Smoking is lame, okay? People have ostracized smokers. If we get in my car and I drive clients around, they're gonna think I smoke, all right?
There's an ashtray still.
It's
I guess it's mostly for coins.
It's coin, yeah, and
whatever.
trash.
Fine.
If we want to stop and pull over in a truck stop, you can hang out with your truck stop friends and smoke. Dude, we get to New York.
Oh man.
I'm taking the Staten Island ferry.
Oh wow.
It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
The doors are so big. Are you about to shoot a heroin in my car?
You're such a damn hard ass on these rules.
Dude, you can't do heroin in my car, all right?
It's not gonna get smoke anywhere. There's nothing to spill. It's all just right in.
When you get to New York,
Oh, there's supposed to be heroin in New York.
I had a big heroin party planned for us. If you get all high now, then you won't get a heroin. I lied about the heroin party.
Son of a gun!
What time it is? Don't need a plan.